Customer support and lead handling are very important for any online business. But replying to every question manually takes a lot of time, especially when customers ask the same questions again and again. This is where AI chatbots can help. TinyTalk is an AI chatbot tool that allows the businesses and creators to build the smart chatbots trained on their own website content and documents without coding or any technical skills. TinyTalk is designed for the startups, solopreneurs, agencies, and online businesses that want to automate the conversations. You can train the chatbot using your website links, PDFs, or documents, and then you can use it to answer the customer questions instantly. The tool also supports the integration like WhatsApp APIs and website embeds. TinyTalk is available as a lifetime deal through AppSumo, which makes it a very attractive option for long-term use. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow using the smart tools and special deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to check out the TinyTalk through AppSumo. By using the description link, the lifetime deal and the special offer that will be applied automatically. So you can start using the AI chatbots without monthly fees. Now let's come to the main part of the video and understand how TinyTalk works and why it can be useful for your business. The first big feature of TinyTalk is the chatbot training. You can train the AI chatbot using your website pages, documents, or knowledge base. This means the chatbot learns from your real content and gives accurate answers related to your business. For example, if someone asks about the pricing, services, or support, the chatbot can reply instantly based on your data. Another important feature is the website embedding. TinyTalk allows you to embed your chatbot on your website very quickly. And you don't need any coding knowledge. Once embedded, visitors can start chatting immediately. This improves user experience and help you to keep visitors engaged instead of leaving your site. TinyTalk also supports WhatsApp integration. This is very helpful because many customers prefer chatting on WhatsApp instead of the websites. With this integration, your AI chatbot can reply to your customer on WhatsApp automatically. This saves a lot of time and allows you to stay available for customers even when you are offline. For more advanced users, TinyTalk provides the API access. These allow the developers or businesses to connect the chatbot with other systems or apps. Even if you don't use APIs now, it's good to know that TinyTalk can grow with your business needs in the future. Ease of use is one of TinyTalk's biggest strengths. The dashboard is clean and simple. You upload your content and train the bot and you can deploy it. Beginners can set up everything without any confusion. This makes TinyTalk suitable for freelancers, small businesses, and the startups. TinyTalk is also helpful for lead generation. When visitors ask questions, the chatbot keeps them engaged and can guide them to take the action. This can increase the leads and conversions without hiring extra support staff. Cost is another major advantage. Most AI chatbot tools charge monthly fees, which can be expensive over the time. TinyTalk's lifetime deal on AppSumo, it allows you to pay once and use the tool long term. This is ideal for businesses that want automation without ongoing the expenses. TinyTalk can be used in many industries. E-commerce stores can answer the product question, SaaS companies can handle the support queries, coaches and educators can guide the students. Agencies can use the chatbots for client websites. And because it is trained on your content, it works according to your business needs. Overall, TinyTalk is a powerful yet simple AI chatbot solution for your business that want to automate the conversations, improve the customer support, and save time. It helps you to respond faster, stay reliable, and scale the communication easily. The lifetime deal through AppSumo makes it a smart choice for long-term automation. So that's all for today's video. If this TinyTalk review helped you to understand how the AI chatbot can support your business, then give this video a like and share it with someone who needs better customer support. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.